Copywriting for beginners. Make $100 plus on Upwork. Hi, it's Les, and if this is your first time on my channel, please consider giving the video a thumbs up, give it a like, and hit the bell notification so I can send more videos like this your way to help you. Now, can you make $100 an hour on Upwork? Yes, you absolutely can. Now, let's start off with what is Upwork, just in case any of you don't know. Upwork is a freelancing platform where you can sell your skills. In my case, I'm a copywriter, so I sell copywriting skills. You could be a programmer, you could be an accountant, you could be a personal assistant. There's all kinds of things you can do on Upwork to make an income. Now, people say that Upwork is a highly competitive platform, and I'm going to show you now why it's not competitive, okay? If you post a job on Upwork, you're likely to get a lot of applications. But the problem is the quality of the applications generally is absolutely dreadful, and I'm going to show you that in this video. Okay, so let's look at this in detail. What I did was I posted a job on Upwork, and let's just take a look. I'll put these on the screen for you, but let's just take a look at some of the applications that came in. So here's the first one, and you'll see what I mean about the quality of these. This is the application for a job. Think of this as a job application. Okay, it's actually the response to the job I put up. And this reads, "Hello Sir Madam, I would love to be of assistance in your project. Please do consider my application. Thank you, regards." Now, come on, you're applying to do a job for me, you're applying to work for me, and that's the kind of, short 1-2 sentence application you're putting in. So that one you can rule out immediately. Nobody is going to give a job to someone who puts a response in like that. Okay, let's look at another one now. This is another cover letter. They call the applications cover letters on Upwork. And this simply says, "Hi, I just checked that you need a copywriter for your website. I am a professional writer." That's it. And the funny thing is, the job wasn't even for a website. It was to write something else completely. So this person hasn't even looked at the job. They've just put in a standard reply, "I just checked that you need a copywriter for your website." So again, that application has got absolutely no chance, right? Let's move on to another one. What I did, this is another point actually, what I did with this, as well as asking for applications via a cover letter, I also asked the people to answer 3 questions. Most of the people didn't even answer the 3 questions. So if you're applying to Upwork for a job and someone asks questions, the least you can do is answer the questions and put in a decent application. Okay, let's just look at one final one here. I'm just trying to illustrate the quality of the competition you're up against on Upwork, and it's nothing to be afraid of, I can assure you. So this cover letter here, the first thing is look at what they're asking, $555 an hour. There's something severely wrong here. But let's just look at it. And what I've done is, again, I've asked 3 questions as well as the application itself, which comes at the bottom of this. So their cover letter, first of all, they answer the questions. Describe your recent experience with similar projects. I'm providing you work early. What does that mean? Please list any certifications related to this project. I'm 10 past. I haven't got a clue what that's trying to say. How do you know when your writing has been successful? I'm complete this project quickly without any without any doubt. And look at how they spelt doubt. And this is their application. The bottom bit is the application. So this is where you would normally tell the client all about yourself and the details of what you've done, etc., etc. They've put my typing speed is faster than others. That's it. That's the quality of the applications you're up against. And I would say in terms of poor quality, at least 90%, if not more, of the applications I got for this job I put up were of this standard. Okay, so what I'm basically saying is, yeah, you get a lot of applications to jobs, you get a lot of replies, but what you're up against really isn't of a high quality, not at all. And just to say, I often see when I'm browsing through forums and that kind of thing, where they talk about Upwork and they say Upwork is not a good platform to work on because they've put in 20, 30, 40 applications and never received a job offer. Well, if you look at the quality of these things, you can put in 100 applications like this and you're never going to get any work. So when you hear people moaning about Upwork, don't listen to it. If they're putting in these kind of applications, it's no surprise they're not getting work. And I can assure you my current rate on Upwork is $150 an hour, and that's what I earn. So here's the big takeaway, here's the key moment from this whole thing. Put together a really good application to the jobs you're applying for. Take your time. Don't do this cut and paste nonsense which these people are doing. Make it relevant to the job, I mean, for example, you look at the one where, they didn't even look at the job, obviously, because they wanted to write a website for me. I wasn't even asking them to write the website. So make your application relevant to the job, show the people, the person you're applying to, that you've actually read the job, and, just be professional. And you'll outshine 95% of your competition on Upwork. Okay, so that's the big takeaway. I hope that helps you. I've shown it to you with real world examples. This is the kind of thing you actually get on Upwork. It's unbelievable. Okay, so good application, take your time, make it relevant, read the job, and you'll outshine all of these, all of this competition on Upwork without a problem. Okay, I hope that helped you. If it did, as I say, give the video a like, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell notification so I can send you more stuff like this to help you, and I'll talk to you again soon. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.